Welcome to WPForms, the best WordPress contact form plugin on the market. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a contact form with the AI Forms feature. With AI Forms, you can write in a prompt within the form builder and have our AI assistant create a form that best fits your description, and all within a matter of seconds. With that said, let's jump right in. After installing WPForms on your website, you'll want to head into the form builder, so on the left side, go to WPForms, then Add New. On the following page, click on the Generate with AI template to be taken into a separate page of the form builder. Here you'll see some instructions on the left, as well as a few example prompts you can click on to see how the AI works in real time. At the bottom of the page is a text field where you can write in your form prompt. Let's first click on one of the example prompts to see how the AI Forms function works, and then we'll try it out with a brand new prompt. I'm going to first click on the prompt called Takeout Order for a Pizza Store. The examples on the left will disappear, and you'll now see a chat box between you and our AI assistant. While the AI is working on your form, you'll see a text bubble working. When it's done, your form will automatically appear on the right side of the page. You can scroll down to look at all of the fields that the AI assistant used to create this form. But let's say we want to make some changes. You can ask the AI assistant to make some revisions as needed. So in my case, I want to move a few fields around and add descriptions to each form field just to make sure customers know what to do. Write in what you want the AI to change in the text box, then press Enter on your keyboard or click on the arrow button and let it get to work. Just like before, the changes will automatically appear on the right when the AI assistant is done working. If everything looks good, you can click on the Use This Form button on the left side, and this will take you into the drag and drop portion of the form builder. From here, you can either make any manual changes to your form if you'd like, or you can save the form as it is. Now let's create another form, but using a different prompt. I want to create an RSVP form for a wedding and want to make sure I capture a few specific pieces of information, so I'm going to include them in my prompt. Now all I need to do is wait just a few seconds for the AI to generate my form. It looks pretty good, but I want to add a few more fields, so I'm going to tell the AI to add a field asking if the guest will be bringing any children, and if so, how many. I also want a field where they can choose which meal they would prefer to have during the reception. Finally, I need this form to be in Spanish, so I'm going to ask the AI assistant to translate it into Spanish. And there we have it. Now that my form looks exactly how I need it, I can click on the Use This Form button to bring it into the form builder. I'm pretty satisfied with the way it is now, so I'm going to click on the Save button, and we're all set. You now know how to use AI Forms to create your site's contact forms. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, where you can find step-by-step written guides for all of our features, add-ons, and more. You can also join our WPForms VIP Circle group on Facebook to learn even more tips and tricks, as well as be part of the growing WPForms community. If you need any extra help, please visit our contact page and reach out to one of our trusted advisors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.